His temperature is perfect. As soon as he regrows his skin and hair, he'll be as good as new, Captain. He's awake.
Where am I?
You were molting in the water. We didn't want you to get poorly, so we brought you back to our ship, the Octopod.
Ooh, thanks for helping me. The name's Leon. Can't wait to get to the beach, see my friends and family and...
I don't think you're ready to move yet, Leon.
Where is your beach? We'd be happy to take you there.
Well, it's a beach. With lots of molting elephant seals like me on it and... oh boy, molting makes me really, really, really tired.
He needs to rest while he finishes growing his new skin, Captain.
In the meantime, we'll look for a beach with elephant seals on it. Activating Octoscope. No elephant seals on this beach.
We've been searching for Leon's beach for days.
We'll just have to try again tomorrow. Now, let's get some sleep.
Are you all right, Leon?
I feel great, and I'm looking good. Check out my nice new skin and fur.
You finished all your molting. Congratulations.
Chest bump! Whoa, sorry, didn't mean to knock you over with that.
Oh, not to worry. I'm fine.
I'm just excited to get to the beach and play with all the other elephant seals.
Well, I'm afraid we haven't found your beach quite yet.
You haven't? But this is a special time when all of us wake up and play games. And I'm missing out on all the fun.
Must get away! It's no use. I can't make it.
Are you okay?
No, I'm doomed. I'm a flying fish who can't fly. Oh, please don't eat me.
Don't worry, we don't want to eat you.
Ow! Oh, me tail fin. I smacked it on some rocks and now it really hurts.
We know someone who can help you with your fin. Why don't you come back to the Octopod with us?
But Captain, what about the Professor's book?
Aye, we've got to find those flying fish again.
Agreed, but first, our new friend needs help. We'll let them know back at the Octopod. Kwazii, sound the Octo Alert! Octonauts, to the launch bay. Peso, we've brought back a flying fish who needs your help.
Aye, Captain. I help any creature who is sick or hurt. Now, what seems to be the trouble?
It's me tail fin.
You need a bandage. Good as new.
It feels better already.
You should stay here and rest a bit before you take off again.
Okay, thank you.
Captain, the flying fish will be able to fly again in no time.
Ooh, flying fish! That must be the remarkable thing that my great-grandfather saw. I'll add that to his book right away.
You tell him.
No, you tell him.
Well, Professor, we sort of lost the book.
You lost it? But how?
A school of flying fish came leaping out of the water, and before you could say Davy Jones's locker, they took off with your book.
Oh, dear. I see. It's gone.
But we'll get it back for you. On my honour as an Octonaut, we will.
But how?
Those flying fish got away from us before, but now we know how to catch up to them. We just have to leap out of the water and fly like they do.
But, Captain, how in the seven seas are we going to do that?
Tweak?
I'm on it, Cap. I'll get a little advice from our new friend on how to make the guppy fly.
The first thing you have to do is leap out of the water. That means you have to go up very, very fast.
Well, I already know how to do that.
Wait, that's just the first step.
What goes up?
Oh,
Must come down.
I almost had it.
Please, let me go.
Jelly, go, go!
Jelly, will you stop tickling me? We're trapped in a current and... we're going to crash!
Going to splash!
I'm free! Ooh, where am I? I hope Jelly's okay. Hello, Octonauts. Can you hear me? Hello? I must be too far away for them to hear me. Right. I'm lost. What would Captain Barnacles do? I think this way is north. And if that's north, then this must be shark. Shark!
Peso, inside Jelly's belly.
Jelly, you saved me. At least for now.
Sorry, Captain, but there's no way of knowing which way the jelly went.
We may need to bring in more gups to track Peso down. But by the time they get here, Peso could be even further away.
Captain, I have another idea.
Oh, Peso, me poor little penguin pal. Don't worry. I'll hunt that see-through scallywag across the 7 seas and back again if I have to.
Kwazii.
Even if it takes months.
Kwazii.
Even if it takes years. Even if it takes it.
Kwazii! Dashi may have found a way to find Peso.
Well, why didn't you say so? Let's go. This is no time to sit around talking.
Peso must be too far away to talk to us on his helmet radio. But if I use the Gut Finder map to find his radio, maybe I can make...
There he is.
A Peso finder. Good work, Dashi.
Yow! Let's go after him. Full speed ahead. That is, when you say so, Captain.
Full speed ahead.
Jelly, we have to get away.
Big fishy want to play?
No, this isn't a game. You know, Jelly, I'm beginning to think you're enjoying this jam we're in.
Jelly, in a jam!
It's not funny. We need to hide.
Hide inside!
Inside? Inside what?
Almost ready, Cap.
I can hardly wait to see the gut bee again, me hearties.
Look, I found some pictures I took of you in the Gut Bee.
I painted those shark teeth on her myself. We've won races together and made thrilling escapes together. There's just no other gut like the gut bee, mateys.
Don't worry. We'll get her back.
This shouldn't take long. Is the Gupsy ready, Twig?
Ready, Cap?
Yow!
Twig, open the octo hatch.
Right away, Cap.
Captain, it looks like we're getting close to the Gut B.
Towing her back home should be an easy job.
Aye, no trouble at all.
Look at that!
Jumping jellyfish! It's a giant kelp forest!
The Gup Finder shows that the Gup B must be somewhere inside the kelp forest. We'll have to go in and look for her. Kwazii, you go... Oh. Kwazii? Oh. Let's go, Shellington.
Amazing. Giant kelp is the tallest plant under the sea. It stretches up and up so the kelp leaves can reach the sun. Just like a forest on land, a kelp forest is a home for lots of different creatures.
It won't be easy to find the Gup B in a kelp forest this big. But according to the Gup Finder, we're close. This way. Whoa!
Watch out! There's a big orange shark in the forest!
Orange shark? Hold on. That must be the Gut B. Come back here. Hey, what did you say about seeing a big orange shark?
I saw it zoom into the forest, that's all. And this is my hiding place, so go away.
Is this what you saw, matey?
Yes. Oh, I can't look. Those big teeth make me nervous.
Aye, matey, but they aren't real teeth. I painted it. Look.
Stand back or else.
Kwazii, you better stand back because...
Because what?
He's called a swell shark. When he feels threatened, he swallows enough water to swell up like a balloon, and then...
Yes, I know what happens then, Shellington.
Who are you, and why are you grabbing our Gup?
Oh, I'm sorry. I wanted to say hello. I am a spider.
I knew it was a spider. Abandon ship and swim for your lives.
Crab.
Excuse me, you're a what?
A spider crab. A giant spider crab, to be exact.
Of course, a giant spider crab. I should have known.
So you're not a scary spider?
Eh? Oh, no. I just look like one. I'm really a crab. The largest crab in the entire ocean with many, many legs.
Fascinating.
Yes, I have 8 legs and 2 pincer arms.
Pincer arms?
They help me to move around and grab things to eat. Ouch!
What's wrong, Mr. Giant Spider Crab?
Oh, there's something stuck to one of my legs.
Oh, no!
It's a giant clam.
Well, it's very heavy.
And noisy.
So that's what that scary thunk, thunk, thunk noise was.
It looks painful.
We're coming out right now to help you. Right, Kwazii?
Right, Captain.
This clam is shut tight.
I've seen this before. When clams get stepped on, they close up to protect themselves. It's nearly impossible to pry them open.
This could take a while.
Why do these things always happen when I'm in a hurry?
What's the rush?
I'm trying to get to a birthday party.
Whose birthday is it?
Mine! My children and grandchildren are having a great big party for me. I'm 100 years old today.
100 years old?
Shiver me whiskers.
Oh, yes, we spider crabs can live for years and years, long enough to meet many of our grandchildren. I just hope I get to see mine today.
On our honour as Octonauts,
We'll get you unstuck, matey.
Oh,
Captain, according to my medical manual, giant clams open and close using this muscle.
Aye. Try tickling it.
Good idea. Goo.
that's it. Peso, you'll tickle the clam. Kwazii and Shellington, you try to pull the clam open. I'll lift the crab's leg out. Tickle, pull, and lift.